Does it pull out there? Yes, why not? Ladies and gents, it's a vloggy vlog. We're leaving Two Wheel Tuesday at Brooklyn, New York. We're chilling, cruising out. Later, brother. And here we are, back on the road again. After another successful Two Wheel Tuesday. I drank like 4 bottles of water. My lunch was so salty. I guess it's a good thing that I didn't have a single alcoholic beverage, because you're not supposed to. Made some noise for the people in the back. Just making noise, basically just freaking rapping for no reason, right? Don't really need to do any of this. It was so nice. I met a couple of followers or subscribers at Two Wheel Tuesday. It was freaking great. It was freaking great. It's so nice to meet you guys, and I never know how to act, and I always just try to be myself, and because I truly do care. I'm like, I do care about what you ride and how you came across. How did our paths ever cross? Because a lot of the people who watch my channel, they don't even ride Ducatis, and sometimes they don't even ride in New York City. But they all share passion. This is a sticky one still. Gotta make decisions. You cannot dilly-dally. I could have been there for like 7 minutes. We're not doing that. Food being delivered. I'm gonna park this baby and go hang at the dirtiest of Billy my home away from home. My boy's about to run a red light. Did I break any laws? I hope not. That'd be awful. I hate breaking laws or rules. But yeah, like I was saying, it's nice to meet you guys. It's always a pleasure. It's always a little reminder that I'm not the only one who loves this. Some other people might like it a little bit, and they like it enough to tell a stranger that they like their stuff, which is kind of how art works, I guess. When you like walk up to an artist at an art gallery and go, you know what, I like your stuff. So basically I'm an artist in an art gallery, and my art gallery is planet Earth. Okay, bye.